Hello everyone, my name's Phil with the Go Sold Real Estate team. This is Kevin Belzer. We are out here in New River at our brand new listing. You are not gonna wanna miss this. Stay tuned. All right, we're inside this amazing home out in New River, Arizona. Kevin, we have a ton to talk about. Let's talk about the bedrooms and baths first, and then we'll go to the upgrades.
Perfect. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. One of the bathrooms is a full bath as well, so it's got a door going to the outside, and it's got the 3-car garage.
Perfect. I noticed the split floor plan, which is huge, because then you can put the kids on one side and the parents on the other.
Absolutely. You do have the split floor plan you were talking about, and it's over 3,000 square feet, so the kids are way far apart.
Love it. So if you have kids, that's a huge benefit. Let's talk about the actual updates themselves inside the house.
You've got custom cabinets throughout, which is a very nice feature. The granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, as well as this built-in fridge that's stuck behind us. And I mentioned the garage is a 3-car garage. Well, the other cool thing about the garage is it has air conditioning, epoxy floors, and built-in cabinets.
Wow.
Yeah.
This house has everything.
It does. Oh, did I mention the RV carport on the side as well?
You just don't see this a lot, Kevin.
No, you don't. This RV carport is awesome. It's got electric, lights. This thing is sturdy.
Nice.
Yeah.
There's a ton of items in this house that we want to share with you. So make sure to click on the link below because that will allow you to know exactly everything that's included with the home. And then last but not least, one of the things that I noticed walking around the house, every single window has a great view.
Oh, mountain views, 360 degrees on this house. It's just incredible. I highly recommend people schedule to see this home very quickly.
Nice. Welcome to the beautiful backyard in this New River home. Kevin, let's talk about the updates back here.
Well, you got the brick paver going all the way up to the pool. Pool is highly upgraded. See the fountains on it. You got the pergola to our right, and you got the fire pit to our left.
Perfect. And then I have to bring this up again. The views, and more views.
The views are absolutely insane. It's like paradise out here. Mountain views all around.
Awesome. Now, if somebody wants to set up a quick showing on this house, what's the best way to go about doing that?
Very simple. Call 480-305-6655 or go to our website, gosoldrealty.com.
Perfect. Thank you so much for I think we should show them one more thing.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, last but not least, we're here at the Maricopa Trail. For those of you that don't know what the Maricopa Trail is, it's 315 miles long, and this house is really close to this entrance. So we wanted to share with you the beautiful views, the updates to the home, but more importantly, the location itself. Kevin, before heading off, anything else you want to add?
Nope. Let's go.
Awesome. Thanks again for joining us and have a wonderful day.